unbox the You Make Stray Kids Stay 2025 box with me. In the past, this has been called Season's Greetings, and I know this is a little bit late, but I had to wait till my birthday to open it. So first, let's open these little freebies on the top. We have a full set of photo cards of all of the members here. Felix, my favorite, obviously, as you will see. This is what the back of the photo cards look like, and then there's a full set of postcards of the members as well. Now, let's get into the box itself. You can see there are a ton of goodies on here, so I will be taking one by one. There's this beautiful acrylic stand, which I actually struggled so much to get out, as you will see in a second, but I absolutely love it, and once I actually figured out how to put it together, it looks really good. So anyone opening this warning, there's a really sticky part on the back I should have peeled off, so I was literally breaking my nails to try to peel these out of the acrylic. Okay, sorry now, you're just watching the struggle ensue, but you know what, maybe if you're opening this too, this can help you to struggle less than I did. Anyway, this is my first attempt to put it together. I couldn't figure out that I was missing a piece, but here's how it ended up looking. It's a little swing with all the members, mascots. It is so cute. I love it. And then next in the box is this single photo card holder. It's really cool, like a Polaroid. And this metal keychain, it is so nice. Oh my gosh, what good quality. And then it says Stray Kids on the back. I will definitely be attaching that to my bag when I go to their concert this summer. And then we have another pack of full photo cards. This photo shoot has the glasses in it, which I think looks super good. Next is this memo notepad. I scrolled through all of it and I could see that once you take it apart, there are actually two different versions inside. And then we have the message cards. Feel free to pause the video when you see each member. I will be showing the message very briefly on the back if you want to read one. It is in Korean though, so if you do subscribe to me, then you can see that I post Korean language learning content as well, so maybe you can read them, but they are pretty easy to translate. A lot of them are just like, oh, I'm so glad you're staying, and we love you, and we love the fan base. So that's what most of them have been. At least that's what Felix's was for sure. I read the back. A lot of the other messages, like the one on Hayden's back, you can see is, oh, 2024 was a great year, and I'm excited to see what 2025 brings, and stay tuned for new content. And as we know, we have been getting a lot of new stuff this year. Then we have the classic sticker packs. I love that they have the clear backs. These are super cute for journaling, and I will definitely be using them. And then on to the calendar. This is a straight standee calendar this year, and the 2022 one, which I unboxed, there was a sideways, like a horizontal one and a vertical one. But for this vertical calendar, which I honestly like a lot more, I will just be showing the member photos, and you can see which one aligns with your birthday month. I think that photo looks really good. I really love this photo shoot. I think it's so cool, and there's so many different things they can do with it. I think the red really looks good on Hyjin in these photos, and oh, love this group photo. So cute. You lucky ducks in August get Felix as yours this year. Another great looking group photo. I love this photo shoot. I think it looks so cool, and I love that they could kind of just be themselves in it. At least I hope so. Anyway, the calendar can show some of the members' birthdays on here as well. And then getting into the notebook, which, okay, last time it was a notebook, but this one actually is a planner, which is so cool. Inside it has a bunch of free dates for you to write in your calendar, as well as in the beginning of the notebook it has some of the members and their plans for the upcoming year. So I'm just going to show Felix's really quick. There's a couple photos from the photo shoot and then some plans and Q&A for the next coming year. And then it comes with these little kind of postcard stickers. I kind of imagine them as stamps, so it's with each of the members' faces, and they're just little stickers. And then the final thing in the box are these full-size cards of all of the members, and they're actually that really nice quality. That's why I was just fanning it there. They're pretty thick and heavy, so they should be able to withstand whatever you decide to put them in. Again, I think the red pops out so good in this one. He's not even my favorite member, but I really think this looks good. I love the old cassettes and Walkmans that they have, and I think the chip is also really funny. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope to see you in the future, because I have a lot more Stray Kids content coming, as I will be vlogging my front row seat this summer when I go to their concert. But overall, here is everything that came in the box. I highly recommend getting these every year if you can. They are so nice.